Prachi, you have represented India on world platform as an artist. So, is there any special moment where you really feel like extra proud of being an Indian artist, or any share your special memory when you are performing there in the other countries as an artist?
Oh, of course. I think, in fact, the Indian art is really truly cherished abroad.
Hmm.
And I am in the outstanding category of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, which is an organization, which is a government organization in Delhi. And when I've represented the country multiple times at various occasions all over the world, a lot of delegations. Specifically, my recent one that I really kind of cherish and remember was the SEO Gala concert in Tajikistan. It
Hmm.
was in middle of COVID,
Hmm.
2021, and it was a nine-nation summit. So you had countries like Pakistan and Russia and everybody performing with
Right.
their groups, and with all the respective prime ministers scheduled to come there, but due to the COVID and the scenarios, we had the external affairs minister. Each country had the external. So we had Dr. Jaishankar who was there present, and he tweeted for me, which was the most honorable moment for me, because he on his tweet it kind of read that Prachi Shah Pandya and her group makes India proud. So that feeling, I cannot even begin to tell you what that feeling was, because out of all the odds, so we were actually giving COVID tests like every 6 hours. It was that kind of a security protocol there.
Right.
And the kind of anxiety, because I was with my 10 dancers, my group of dancers, and I was responsible for them. So, in a completely different country. So that was, it definitely makes you feel so responsible as an artist, as a citizen of your own country, and making your, with that whole Indian flag right behind me as the backdrop on the
Right.
stage, on the massive stage. You definitely feel that you've all your hard work is worth it.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.